guys, I'm Mel from Diamonds Gloss, and today I want to show you how easy it is to do your own gel nails at home. You're going to need a few things: base coat, a no wipe top coat, a colour of your choice, nail files, a cuticle pusher or cuticle sticks, lint-free wipes, a prep mix. Now this is just isopropyl alcohol and acetone, a half-half mixture. You can make that at home yourself, and a cuticle oil to finish off at the end. Oh, and don't forget, you'll need a lamp. So first of all, you want to prep your nails so that they're free of dirt, oils and dead skin. So to do that, you need to push back your cuticles with a cuticle pusher or cuticle sticks. Now these ones have sandpaper on the end, so they also etch the nail at the same time, which is really handy. So we'll push back all the cuticles. If you can see that. Okay, and that cleans off all the skin. I'll just show you also with a sandpaper cuticle stick. These are really handy. Okay, you can use whichever you prefer. Then you want to shape your nail with, this is a 180-220 natural nail file, and see how thin it is compared to these ones. This one is a 180 grit, so both good for the natural nail, thick and thin. So we use the thin one. And you just want to file your nails into shape. Okay, and once that's done, you want to use one of your lint-free wipes and your prep solution, and then you want to wipe over every nail to remove the dead skin and the oils. So this will also dehydrate the nail and it will be ready for polish. It really all comes down to your prep. If you have any dead skin or loose nail, any oils on your nails, the polish is not going to last very long. Okay, so once that's done, you're prepped and ready for polish. Okay, so now you want to do one thin layer of base coat. Now keep it off your skin. This is the most important thing when doing nails, is to keep it off your skin. It is hard doing your own, but it's really important. So less on the brush is best. And make sure you cap the edge of your nail. Okay? Thin, even strokes, capping the edge of the nail. Okay, base coat is on, and we'll pop that into the lamp for a minute. Okay, so the base coat is set in the UV LED lamp, ready for the coat of colour. So it's always important to shake your colour well to mix all the pigments. And I'm going with gold today. Now thin even coats again, keeping it off the skin. And capping the edge. Now, when doing your nails, you want to place the brush a little bit away from the cuticle. Then you push the polish back. A little bit hard to do holding my hand up. Okay, any mess, take a cuticle stick and you can clean it up. Dip it into a bit of the solution. See if I can show you that again. Okay, brush down a little bit away from the cuticle, pushing back and pull forward. And that will give you a nice even coat every time. Okay, let's see if you can see that. And that will go into the lamp for a minute. Okay, so they are set. Going to come in now with the second coat of gold. So while that's curing, I just want to take a moment to talk to you about the products. And every product here at Diamonds and Gloss is HEMA free. Now HEMA stands for hydroxyethyl methacrylate, and it's a big word. It's a chemical that is used in nail products to help adhere the products to the nails. Now nearly every product you'll find will contain HEMA. But the problem with the chemical is it causes nasty allergic reactions. Now they're so severe that once you develop the allergy, you will most likely not be able to use any products with HEMA in it whatsoever. So the allergy causes itching, it causes like a contact dermatitis. You will get itchy fingers, peeling fingers, blisters, you can get itchy face, eyelids, you can get flu-like symptoms, you can spray it on your arms, it can go anywhere that like the dust hits you from acrylic nails, for breathing in the dust, that's why your eyes will get the itch. Yeah, it's really bad. I'm lucky that I don't have any allergies, but I learned early on how dangerous the chemical really is and how important it is to keep the products off your skin, whether they have HEMA in them or not, because you can still develop sensitivities to other chemicals if you keep on getting it on your skin. So I just wanted to tell you that because that is one of the reasons why I started the company. In all the groups that I was in as a new nail tech, I just was learning about the allergies, and everyone was talking about that, what they were doing to be able to still keep doing nails as nail technicians or even home users. You know, masking, double gloving, wearing long sleeves, barrier creams, all sorts of things just to keep on doing nails because they could not find a HEMA-free product. Now we're up to the last layer, which is a layer of no wipe top coat. So with a top coat, we're going to use no wipe top coat, which means at the end you don't wipe it. It is set and ready to go. So a nice layer of that, following the same process. Okay, so the top coat is on. We'll pop that into the lamp for another 60 seconds. Make sure you don't leave your bottles in front of the light because they will cure on the brush. Also away from any direct sunlight because they will cure as well. So all the things I've used are available in a starter kit. I'll show you quickly what you would get. So a nail prep starter kit, you get 4 nail files, you get 2 packets of lint-free wipes. There's 100 pieces in each packet. You'll get a nail buffer. You'll get cuticle nippers. You'll get the small cuticle sticks. So they have like an angled end and the pointy end. So they're great for pushing back the cuticles and for cleaning up around the nails. And you'll get a packet of the sandpaper cuticle sticks. And lastly, a bottle of cuticle oil to finish off. So that's what we'll do now. So they're set. Okay. And when you're finished, because you've dehydrated the nails in the beginning, you want to add a bit of moisture back in. So just go around onto the skin with your cuticle oil. This smells beautiful, it's my favorite. Okay, and massage that in. And there you have it. Beautiful. Okay, so everything we've just used is available on the website in convenient starter packs. So your nail prep starter pack, that one is $39. We've got the Get Polished Beginner pack, which has a base coat, no wipe top coat, and a colour of your choice. That one's $47. Or the Favourite Fast Start, which is the base coat, no wipe top coat, and 3 colours of your choice. Okay, you'll also need a lamp. They're available for $89. Okay, it's got high and low heat mode, 10 second, 30 second, 60 second cure, and a removable base. Okay, you'll be able to get started for under $200 to be able to do your own gel nails at home at a fraction of the cost of going to a salon.